Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy drawing tutorials, school projects, and educational videos. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Write the title, SDG 6 Clean Water and Sanitation, at the top and draw the SDG 6 logo or a water drop. Step 2. Draw a water tap on the left side with a large water drop falling from it. Step 3. Below the tap, draw two hands to collect the water, reminding us that every drop is precious. Step 4. Draw two happy children drinking clean and safe water. Then begin drawing a clean river in the background. Step 5. Extend the river by adding flowing water, rocks, and a natural landscape. Step 6. Add green trees, grass, and colorful fish in the river to show a healthy environment. Step 7. On the right side, draw a clean toilet and write "Use toilets" to promote good sanitation and hygiene. Step 8. Add awareness messages around the drawing, such as "Save water," "Keep our water clean," and "Protect rivers." Step 9. Outline the entire drawing neatly using a black sketch pen. Step 10. Finally, color your poster with bright blue and green shades, and write the slogan "Every drop counts" at the bottom. Every drop of water is precious. Let's save water, keep our surroundings clean, and protect our rivers for future generations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Water